We are going to make sure that the killers of Biafras is going to pay dearly for their action and the atrocities towards Biafra people. Simon Ekpa. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are still bringing you update no dey finish for our table. Things are happening. But before we go on, if today na the first time you dey come across this wonderful channel, may you subscribe. Very important, so that you go to get our update back to back. You no finish for there. Once you don subscribe, look that way be like Ben. Just turn am on so that anytime we will upload video, you go be the first person to get am. Na so e be o. Our update na back to back as e dey hot. Now we dey bring her dey come. Let's go and look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. Things dey happen. They say kasala don burst and water don pass garri. They say one man wey dey call Pius, as Simon Ekpa don give am woto finish, now get the message wey don send for Biafras. PM Simon Ekpa went ahead and said that all the whole killers of Biafra will going to pay for it to their action. And e no finish for there. E don even talk say all those people where they hawk or they stay around secretariat or Nigeria properties should immediately stay away from that side. Things are going to happen. Let's play you the video, may you watch, and when we come back, we'll continue.
The delegitimization of the Nigeria terrorist government in Biafra land continues very aggressively. Very aggressively. I want Biafrans to listen to the following announcement. Very important. The delegitimization of the Nigeria terrorist government in Biafra land continues very aggressively. You must not stay close to barracks 1 kilometer. Every civilian in Biafra land hawking close to barracks, stop hawking close to barracks. 1 kilometer. The same thing goes to those secretariat in Biafra land which we asked to shut down. Nigeria secretariat in Biafra land. Nobody should be staying in the secretariat or 1 kilometer around secretariat. From federal secretariat to state secretariat to local government secretariat, don't stay 1 kilometer, around the secretariat. You will not know when it is going to happen. It is part of the delegitimization of the Nigeria terrorist government in Biafra land. And let me tell you, for those of you who do not understand what is going on, we will make sure that the killers, the terrorists in Biafra land will all be eliminated by Biafra forces. The day I will pronounce the declaration of Biafra, you will not see anybody to shoot even 1 single shot. I am telling you the fact. The day Biafra will be declared, you will not hear 1 gunshot. I want to inform Biafrans today, the freedom of Biafra is being fought in 3 different dimensions. We are fighting this Biafra struggle and liberation through diplomatic means. We are fighting the Biafra liberation through political means. We are fighting the Biafra liberation through arms struggle. We combine everything together. Nigeria is a complex criminal entity that needed a very complex and a very different approach, which approach we are using very well, and it is working very fantastic for us. The political approach is that we are having what we call Biafra self-referendum. I want everybody to pay attention. In case you don't know where we are going, in case you don't know why we are doing what we are doing, I'm going to tell you today. The political approach to Biafra freedom is through the self-referendum. Self-referendum is going to be conducted when we have delegitimized the Nigeria government from the security agencies or the terrorists in security uniform in Biafra land, to a certain degree, we are going to conduct self-referendum. After the self-referendum, we go into the diplomatic part, which we are already going. It is already happening. And as that is going on, we are going to defend our referendum with the barrels of the gun, protecting our land, our women and children. Then after that, we declare Biafra. And let me tell you, when Biafra will be declared, I will be the one to call that shot. Then after that, you will not see anybody to come to shoot Bakam in Biafra land. Every gunshot fired by the Biafra Liberation Army is a declaration of Biafra. Every gunshot fired by the Biafra resistance fighters is a declaration of Biafra. I'm telling you, you don't expect anything else differently. We're already there. We're already there. You know, I'll be speaking in parable, but when the thing begins to manifest, I'll be coming more clearer. The other day in the program, in my broadcast, I was telling you people that we are going to cut their wings, we're going to cut their leg, and then after that, we cut their tail, and then after that, Ayebupu Haishi and Biafra will come. Now, we have gone those 8 stages of that, telling you that in parable, is over. Now, I'm telling you now the processes, what we are going to take. We're not hiding it. I'm not hiding it. I'm not going to hide it. I am telling you what I am going to do for the Biafra people, and Biafra will come. I'm telling you now, we are fighting Nigeria with 3 different dimensions. The armed struggle, the political means, and the diplomatic means. And all of them working together in uniform. In addition to this, as the delegitimization of the Nigeria terrorist government continues in Biafra land, those who gathered in Imo State, all of them are the enemies of Biafra. And I'm calling all our intelligence team to gather the names of everybody that was in that meeting. Everybody, all of them. Not all this Achikote Ekwono. Not all this. The people that are bringing the killers in Biafra land, I want you to write their names. We are going to begin to write their names and send letters to them, one after the other. You know the letter I mean. Broadcast, and I was explaining to Biafra people that we are going to bring Biafra from diaspora. A lot of people didn't know what I meant. A lot of you didn't know. But as time goes by and as time goes on, you are going to start connecting the dots. Biafra will be redeclared, and I will make that pronouncement. I'm telling you, go and mark it. Go and mark it. I will make that pronouncement. And before I will make the pronouncement, Nigeria will beg for us to calm down. Nigeria will beg for Biafra. Believe me. And I'm not going to declare it when they are begging. I got so happy. You see what they did to us? It is time for payback. We are not going to declare when they want it. We are not going to even, as everybody should have known by now, they have promised me heaven and earth. I told them I'm not interested in money. They told them that everybody is collecting money in Biafra, that they should approach me with trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions of whatever. I told them, I am not interested in money. What money? Who? Just mention one person, in Africa, that when you come to me now, I'm going to be, mention person that you are looking up to me to be like in terms of richness. Is it Dangote? No, I want to know. Is it Dangote? Is it who? And tell me, what is that person doing today that I cannot do? So I'm not here for money. I have made it very clear. I am here for name. And I'm here for history. And I am here to liberate Biafra people. This history that I'm talking about is the history of those who liberated Biafra and liberated the most powerful country in Africa. I want to be in that history. That's what I'm doing. There is nothing else. That is bigger than anything. It's not about money. Those people you paid money, where are they today? Where are their money? It's not about money. I told you people, I will be the end of Nigeria. God is going to use me to end Nigeria. When I was saying it, they didn't believe me. I'm still coming. Last year, I told you the time is coming when you are going to see the 50 men in Simon Ekpa. You have not seen even 5. I am here. This particular selfless sacrifice and services, I will do it till the day I will pronounce Biafra. Simon Ekpa is Nigeria agent. Simon Ekpa is working for Nigeria. You are seeing it. They want to attack IPOB terrorists. We are not doing IPOB now. We are now in government. Everything we are doing today is under government. So if you are scared of being IPOB being called a terrorist, we are not doing it in IPOB name. We are doing it in Biafra name, Biafra government. But I don't hear you talk about Simon Ekpa as a Nigeria agent again. Where are they? I don't hear those people who say Simon Ekpa is there working for Tinubu. Where are they? Anamaku Tinubu men who go now. You understand? Go and ask question. The Gogo is just starting. We are going to be quarrying them Gogo. And by the time we are finishing with them, believe me, the day we will declare Biafra, you will never see anybody to summon courage to come and shoot one bullet in Biafra. I am telling you, go and mark my word. This particular war of this delegitimizing Nigeria will shock the world. We will fight them as the fight is going now until when I know that the time has come to declare Biafra. It will be very easy. I told you people that by the time we finish Nigeria, how many of you remember in 2021? By the time we finish with Nigeria, we will do like this. Nigeria will fall. I want people to look for that video. That is where we are going. Everything I am saying, or everything I was saying in 2021 or before then, it is happening. You know, just go back and connect the dots. You see them happening. It is template that can never fail because it came from Elohim. Once I am seated here, things will begin to happen. To happen like that until you will sleep in Nigeria and wake up in Biafra. Thank you very much. May God bless you. May God bless the Biafra Liberation Army. May God bless the Biafra resistance fighters. May God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless the Biafra people. May God bless Biafra Republic Government in Ezza. May God bless.
Hello, my wonderful people. You are highly welcome back. No be smarty, no. As you don't hear waiting, Simon Ekpa with the PM of Biafra government in Ezza talk for this particular video. Now I don't hear everything from beginning to end. Instead, they say in the work for Tinubu, and now in the give out to Tinubu man. They say people talking before, and they say in the war for Nigeria government. You say if in the war for Nigeria government, how come you can't they give them water? Now here for this particular video, things are really happening. You know as what they do for this particular one. Now to leave you, may you contribute, may you put out your own opinion. If you know say you support everything that Simon Ekpa they do, you know as we they do am now, may you comment support. If you get your own question or agreement where you do, may you still ask respectfully. You know as we they do am now, I go leave you, may you contribute for this video. And remember say we'll get many updates where they come today. May you stay tuned as we they bring am one after the other.